Yeah, they look good. But at the end of the day, it's just a Jordan 8. YouTube family, what is going on, man? We are back for yet another one. Your boy Jay is back from a one-day hiatus. You know what I'm saying? I had to take a day off, but I can't take no more time off away from y'all, man. I love the engagement, and I feel like I'm missing something. You know what I'm saying? Whenever I don't drop videos and engage with y'all, man, it's like something be missing, man. So I'm glad to be here with y'all, man. If y'all glad to rock out with your boy Jay, thumbs the video up, man. Started off by thumbsing it up. Today, your boy Jay does want to have a conversation, an engagement with y'all, and talk to y'all about a upcoming shoe. Really, the most demanded, the shoe that everyone is saying that they want for the month of September, which is the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. I do not have a physical pair in hand with me because I had to, had to please some customers. You know, I had to get rid of my personal and stuff, but I do have mine on the way, man. So I will have an in-hand pair here very shortly, so y'all will see it on the channel. But for now, we just gonna use clips from my previous video when I did have that size 11 on the first look, man. And if you haven't seen my first look video, check that out. I will link it on the card at the end of the video. So definitely check that out if you want to see some early looks and some detail, you know what I'm saying, just images of the Air Jordan 8 playoffs. But yes, besides that, like I said, I hope y'all are having a good day, man. I missed y'all, bro. I missed y'all. I gotta say that. Pause. I missed y'all, you know what I'm saying? No engagement, and you know, hey, it is what it is. But yes, before we dive into it, if this is your first time stopping through, I need for y'all to stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button. Join the fam, and I would truly appreciate it, man. I ain't gonna let y'all down, man. I got tons of things coming that I'm working on over here, man. So just stay tuned, buckle up, enjoy the ride, all that good stuff. And all the OGs of the fam, everybody that's been rocking out with your boy Jay, salute to y'all, man. We recently hit 138. We recently hit that 138 mark, man. So 139 is next, and then 140, man. Look, man. Hey, the party don't stop. We're gonna keep it rolling. But yes, besides that, we do have to pay a few bills, man. So let's go ahead and give a shout out to today's sponsors. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna hold up too much time because we do have a lot to talk about. But hey, don't skip it. Just tune into it. Whew, yes, you already know. You already bang, man. So yes, your boy was recently, if y'all checked out my vlog, my last vlog, I was in Detroit, man. Shout out to Kicks for Your Soul. I was in Detroit, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I brought my Soul Premise bag. This right here, I was out there for what? 3 days. I was there for 3 days. All I had was this bag, y'all. This bag right here, crazy. You can hold a lot in it. It's a backpack style bag. This is the daily commuter bag. I try to put y'all on game, man, because it doesn't look like it packs that big of a punch, bro, but on the inside of it, take a look, man. So I had some shoes in here. 2 days worth of shoes. I had some sandals on, my Gucci flip-flops. Y'all know how I do, you know what I'm saying? But had those on my toes, had my shoes in here stored away. I didn't have these in particular, but just showing y'all, you can hold 2 pairs of shoes in here. Of course, I had my laptop with me. I had my laptop right back here secured so I could edit some videos and stuff while I was out. That's why I got that vlog out to y'all so quick. Check out the vlog from Detroit, man. But I did have some accessories, of course, power cables, batteries, all that good stuff in there, man. I had my camera in here, and I had about 2 outfits in here. Right here, I had some jeans and whatnot, and of course, there's an area right here on the back, y'all, a little secret compartment where I had some more stuff stuffed in there, man. So I had this bag like packed out, you know what I'm saying? Had my boxers right here in the front pocket, and then right here I had some other condiments. I'm tripping. Toiletries, you know what I'm saying? I had deodorant, soap, all that stuff, toothbrush. So I was loaded, man. 3-day trip in this backpack style bag, man. And you can get one today for almost half off on soulpremise.com, man. Hit the link down below in the description. Trust me, you will not be disappointed, man. If anyone has a Soul Premise bag, you have recently got it, because I know a lot of y'all have been getting them. I've been seeing y'all copping them. But if you got a bag recently, man, let me know how you liking your new bag. But definitely take advantage. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy, or I think if you click the link, it will automatically be applied. But just to be safe, in the promo code section of Soul Premise, just put in JayTheSneakerGuy. It'll save you almost half off. But you can't go wrong with one of those bags, and they have several colors, several styles. Check them out today, man. But besides that, we do have to dive into what we got to talk about. Appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying? The rambling is over. Let's get to it. Whew. So first things first, y'all, before we dive into it, bang, man, right as I was getting ready to make this video, I had my doorbell rung. It was my UPS driver. He was like, hey, bro, got one for you. So I just had a package delivered. I think that this is a little outfit I ordered, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna see. But I'm right. So it is something that I ordered, man. If you guys are aware of a website called Farfetch is I want to say it's a company that is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, and this is big different. You know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, I did not know that this looked like this, man. But I did order me an outfit. I put together an outfit online real quick for this pair of shoes that I have that I promised y'all that I will throw on feet and show y'all something with, man. But I don't know if I'm ready for this, boy. This is very thick. Like, dang, it's hot. Like, I know I'm gonna be sweating in this, bro. Like, but wow, man. So got a pair of shorts right here, bro. Whoo, got a pair of shorts right here, man, as you can see. So these right here go with the Air Jordan 1 bang Union Beffy Beauty Supply joints, man. So take a look at that right there, man. So the shorts to go with them, I'm actually probably gonna put that teal color. I'm gonna put those teal color laces in here, or maybe yellow. I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna put that color in here to make it pop. So, you know, I got an outfit to go with those shoes as I promised y'all. But take a look at the shorts on the back of it. You do got the Beffy Beauty Supply logo right there. These were not cheap. These were not cheap, as y'all can see. Hold on real quick, can y'all see the price? I think y'all can. These weren't cheap at all, man. So these were $150, and it's like a, bro, this is like a cloth, a big old cloth, you know what I'm saying? But got the shorts, right? So that's one thing I bought from there. I did buy something else to go with it to complete the outfit, but like I said, I will have to put them all together because it's hard to buy clothes offline when you don't have the accurate colors of what you're buying and trying to put things together. But hopefully it all pulls together. But I did buy a t-shirt as well, and this t-shirt is from the brand Galleria Department. So we got the Gallery Department tee. I got the yellow joint right here, man. If all else fails, I can probably rock this with my Thunder 4s or something, but it's the F'd up, that's the name of it, the F'd up logo tee, because it is upside down. You see how that looks right there? So it does have that on there. I wonder if it says it on the tag. I'm curious, but nah. It just got, you know, your Gallery Department stuff and whatever. But I did buy the t-shirt, I did buy the shorts, man. This is probably what I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna put these together to go with those unions, you know what I'm saying, the Gallery Department tee. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, man, follow me on Instagram. I might, you know what I'm saying, throw this all together and see how it looks. Let me know the thought. Let me know before y'all see me put it on, what's y'all thought on this fit real quick. But this fit was probably like close to a $500, $600 fit. Just that easy, you know what I'm saying? But we ain't talking about that, man. Let's get that up out of there. But yes, I did cop those. But besides all that, meat and potatoes of this video, I know we already almost, what, 8 minutes, 7 minutes into the video, whatever it is. I do want to talk to y'all about the Jordan 8 playoffs, man. I want y'all thoughts and opinions on this discussion. Please comment down below. Let me know y'all thoughts, man. But is it hype? Or are people just following the leader? Or is it just simply dopeness? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm curious to know, because the Jordan 8 playoffs has a very, very crazy high demand. I think Jordan brand knows it as well. That's why they're trying to use the same strategy that they use on the Jordan 1 UNC toes, as far as with shipping them out late to retailers, men's pairs that is, because GS pairs have been floating around, but they're kind of being, you know, they're holding off on the men's pairs. Not too many stores have their men's shipments yet, but I think they're trying to build that, you know, that hype behind them, as well as I think we're gonna get a shock drop very soon. It can't even be this week. I haven't heard nothing about it, but I wouldn't be surprised if we got a shock drop this week or next week. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just guessing when I'm saying that, but I just wouldn't be shocked, because, you know, it's time, you know, we do for one. But with all that being said, this shoe is reminding me of another shoe as far as the hype, man. The hype that this shoe has leading up to its release, it reminds me of another shoe, which I want to say released, was it last year? I want to say it was last year, and I mean, nobody wants it no more. But when it was leading up to the release, this shoe was going for 500, for 400, like crazy amounts. Now the shoe is below retail. Yeah. Bang! The Air Jordan 2, which I got swapped out with some red laces, man. The red laces is a nice touch. It pops off that back, man. But besides all that, man, this Jordan 8 playoff is giving me very much so Jordan 2 Chicago vibes, man. This shoe had crazy demand leading up to the release. I want to say it released December of 2022. Crazy demand. A month before that, November or so, this shoe was going for $400 to $500. People were buying them. Now, a lot of sizes in this Air Jordan 2 is below retail, man. I'm not saying that the Jordan 8 playoffs will be going for below retail. I'm just saying that I think it's just gonna the value of it and just the demand for it is gonna go down tremendously, especially when they start popping up, you know, early pairs or whatnot. What I want to say is on release day, I don't think, and it's a crazy prediction to say this right now because of all the everybody going crazy. I need to double up. It's cap. And I'm going to straighten out my statement on it because I said I need to double up on these 8s, but I'm taking it back, bro. I don't need to double up on these because I'm not even going to wear that first pair that much, man. I have too many shoes, you know what I'm saying? It's only a certain select shoes that I do want to double up on. And the 8s, I don't wear 8s already as it is, so I know I'm probably gonna throw that on for my own feet and then just have it as like, you know, a collector's piece. You know, that's a Jordan 8 playoff is a shoe that I want in my collection. But will I go to it before I go to a Jordan 1 Bread, nope. A Jordan 1 not for resale, nope. A Jordan 1 Bloodline, a Jordan 2 Chicago? Like I don't know if I would go to it before I go to any other black, red and white shoe, you know what I'm saying? So that's my thoughts on that, man. Y'all let me know, how do y'all feel about it? How do you think this release will go, man? Do y'all think that they will instantly sell out everywhere? Nope. There'll be crazy demand. I can mark out the resale is not gonna be high. I want to say the resale is gonna be going for like around $250, $230 to $250. I'm putting my stamp on that right now. I'm letting y'all know because 8s is just not it. I don't think the playoff 8s is just gonna make it just that wow shoe all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying? But I need to hear it from y'all, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions, but I see this happening all over again. I mean, we don't even just have to limit it to this shoe. Bang! We can compare it to the Jordan 1 patent breads, you know what I'm saying? A shoe that was going for crazy amounts leading up to the release, and then, I mean, look at them now. I mean, they're almost or somewhere around 300, I want to say, in bigger sizes, but it's like below retail, around retail. I don't want to say below, around retail in most smaller sizes and such. And it was, you know what I'm saying, a lot closer to below retail like in the previous months. They're just now starting to get a little traction. But look at this shoe, man. I think this is this is a crazy shoe, man. But it had crazy hype, but once it released, it was like, you know, hey, it is what it is. But I see that happening with the Jordan 8s. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. I don't think that this gonna be a hard shoe to cop. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, as far as winning raffles with them, that might be a little difficult. Hitting on sneakers, that might be a little difficult. But if you go to your stores, you put in a little bit of work, I think you'll be able to get a pair of playoff 8s. No problem. That's just my prediction, man. I just want to have this conversation with y'all. I do, like I said, I want to just say I foresee a shot drop happening soon. When? I have no clue. When I do get those details, I will notify y'all. So hit the notification bell, man. But yes, man, I just wanted to chop it up with y'all about that, man. But besides that, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Hey, I took a day off. I'm back. We gonna vibe out. We ain't taking no more days off. Movies on the way. So other than that, y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is gone for the day. We'll catch up with y'all tomorrow, man. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions, but I think it's just hype, man. Peace.